What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix when your Redmi cell phone keeps updating. So to fix this auto updating issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now here tap on this software variant and then tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now from this menu tap on update settings, and now if you have enabled download automatically then tap on this button to turn it off, and if you have enabled update automatically turn this feature off. So after turning off these two features your phone will stop updating automatically. Now after doing this, restart your phone to refresh the settings. So to restart, press and hold the power button and then drag this white circle downward, and when this circle gets green then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the auto updating issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can turn off or fix the auto updating issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.